नमस्कार, मी लिंगे सर. स्टँडर्ड 12th मॅथमॅटिक्स आणि त्यामधील एक कंटेंट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन्स या कंटेंटवर आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये 5 ते 6 एक्झाम्पल सोडवणार आहोत. त्यामध्ये पहिले एक्झाम्पल लॉग ऑफ x प्लस वाय इज इक्वल टू लॉग एक्स वाय प्लस पी where p is constant. Then prove that dy by dx is equal to minus y square upon x square. Here implicit function is log of x plus y is equal to log xy plus p. So simplify. First of all given function. First of all simplify given function. Log of xy, that is log x plus log y plus p. Then differentiate with respect to x, we get that of log of x plus y 1 upon x plus y. Then derivative of x plus y, because there is x plus y instead of x, so derivative of x plus y, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of y is 1 and derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to derivative of log x 1 upon x, derivative of log y 1 upon y and derivative of y is dy by dx plus derivative of p is 0 because p is constant. Therefore 1 upon x plus y into bracket, that is 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon x plus y into 1, 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon x plus y into dy by dx. Therefore is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon y dy by dx plus 0. Then simplify this step, that is 1 upon x plus y minus 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon y dy by dx minus 1 upon x plus y dy by dx. Then subtraction of fraction, we get x into x plus y and x into 1 x minus 1 into x plus y is equal to, take out dy by dx common, then we get 1 upon y minus 1 upon x plus y dy by dx. Therefore x minus x minus y divided by x into x plus y, and here y into x plus y, and by cross multiplication x plus y minus y dy by dx. X cancel, here y cancel, plus y minus y 0 and x plus y and this x plus y, these two bracket cancel. Then remaining part, therefore remaining part minus y upon x is equal to x upon y dy by dx. Therefore minus y upon x into y upon x is equal to dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus y into minus y square and x into x square. That is, in this example we want dy by dx is equal to minus y square upon x square, and final answer is dy by dx is equal to minus y square upon x square. Now example, sin inverse x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 divided by x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 is equal to pi by 6. Then prove that dy by dx is equal to x raised to 4 upon 3 y raised to 4. So first of all simplify given equation. and then given function, then differentiate with respect to x. So by simplification we get x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 divided by x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 is equal to sin pi by 6. Then x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 divided by x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 sin pi by 6 means sin 30, and sin 30 is 1 by 2. Value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. By simplification, that is by cross multiplication, we get 2x raised to 5 minus 2y raised to 5 1 into x raised to 5 1 into y raised to 5 y raised to 5. Also by simplification, 2x raised to 5 minus x raised to 5 minus 2y raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 minus 3y raised to 5 is equal to 0. Now differentiate with respect to x. We get 5x raised to 4 by using power rule, power as it is, and decrease given power by 1, then we get 5x raised to 4. Then derivative of minus 3y raised to 5 minus 3 multiple constant as it is, and derivative of y raised to 5 y raised to 4, and derivative of y is dy by dx, and derivative of 0 is 0. Therefore 5x raised to 4 minus 15 y raised to 4 dy by dx is equal to 0. By simplification, we get 5x raised to 4 is equal to 15 y raised to 4 dy by dx. Then we get 5x raised to 4 divided by 15y raised to 4 is equal to dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, and x raised to 4 y raised to 4, that is dy by dx is equal to x raised to 4 upon 3 y raised to 4. Example number 3, e raised to y is equal to y raised to x, then prove that dy by dx is equal to log y bracket square divided by log y minus 1. आता शोधायचा जर विचार केला तर इथं लॉग आहे, त्यामुळं इथं दोन्ही बाजूचा लॉग घ्यावा लागेल आपल्याला. सो टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड we get log of e raised to y is equal to log of y raised to x. By power rule, y log e is equal to x log y. Therefore by simplification, value of log e is 1. Therefore y is equal to x log y. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to, there are two functions in product form, so use product rule for differentiation. First function as it is, derivative of log y 1 upon y. Second function as it is, derivative of x is 1. Therefore dy by dx is equal to x upon y plus log y. Log y into 1 log y. Log y बघा इथं first function as it is, derivative of log y 1 upon y dy by dx plus second function as it is, and derivative of first function is 1. Derivative of x is 1. Therefore x upon y dy by dx is equal to log y into 1 log y. Therefore dy by dx minus x upon y dy by dx is equal to log y. Therefore, take out dy by dx common. 1 minus x upon y dy by dx is equal to log y. Therefore, but we want log y numerator and denominator. So x upon y, by this step, x upon y is equal to 1 upon log y. Therefore, 1 minus x upon y means 1 upon log y. By this step, x upon y means 1 upon log y. dy by dx is equal to log y. Therefore, subtraction of fraction is log y as it is and log y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to log y. By simplification, log y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to log y into log y, that is log y bracket square. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to log y square divided by log y minus 1. Example number 4. Y is equal to root of cos x plus root of cos x plus root of cos x plus so on up to infinity. Then prove that dy by dx is equal to sin x upon 1 minus 2y. So, first of all, simplify given function and then differentiate. That is cos x as it is and root of cos x plus 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 up to infinity. That is this part. या पार्ट बद्दल आपल्याला काय लिहिता येईल, y लिहिता येईल. आता प्रूव्ह दॅट मध्ये रूट कुठेही नाही, त्यामुळे हे रूट काढावं लागेल. रूट काढण्यासाठी काय करूया, स्क्वेअर करूया. सो स्क्वेअरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड वी गेट y square is equal to cos x plus y. By simplification, y square minus y is equal to cos x. Now differentiate with respect to x. That of y square 2y dy by dx. That of minus y minus 1 dy by dx. And that of cos x minus sin x. Therefore, take out dy by dx common or simplify. Sin x is equal to minus dy by dx become plus dy by dx and plus 2y become minus 2y dy by dx. Therefore, sin x is equal to, take out dy by dx common, then we get 1 minus 2y dy by dx. Therefore, sin x upon 1 minus 2y is equal to dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to sin x upon 1 minus 2y. That is, in this example, we have to prove that is we want dy by dx is equal to sin x upon 1 minus 2y. So, answer is here, dy by dx is equal to sin x upon 1 minus 2y. Now, example number 5, y is equal to root of log x plus root of log x plus root of log x plus up to infinity. Then prove that, then show that dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x into 2y minus 1. That is, first of all, simplify given implicit function into short form. That is, y is equal to root of log x plus root of log x plus root of log x plus root of log x, that is y. Therefore, y square is equal to log x plus y. आता ही पायरी का लिहिली तर शोधॅट मध्ये कुठेही रूट नाही म्हणून आपण काय केला स्क्वेअर केला. बाय स्क्वेअरिंग वी गेट y square is equal to log x plus y. After simplification y square minus y is equal to log x. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x, we get 2y dy by dx, and derivative of y is dy by dx, and derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Therefore, take out dy by dx common, we get 2y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x into 2y minus 1. But we want dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x into 2y minus 1, and answer is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x into 2y minus 1. This part and these parts are equal. So, final answer is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x into 2y minus 1. Now, example number 6, root x plus root y is equal to root a, and question is differentiate with respect to x. This function is implicit function. So, how will you take differentiation of this function? Differentiate with respect to x, we get derivative of root x 1 upon 2 root x, derivative of root y 1 upon 2 root y, and derivative of y is dy by dx, and derivative of root a is 0 because a is constant. By simplification, we get 1 upon root x divided by 1 upon root y dy by dx is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 upon root y dy by dx is equal to 1 upon root x become minus 1 upon root x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus root y upon root x. By simplification, we get dy by dx is equal to minus root of y upon x. म्हणजेच आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये एकूण 6 एक्झाम्पल घेतली, त्यामधील 5 एक्झाम्पल प्रूव्ह दॅट वरील होती आणि एक एक्झाम्पल डिफरन्शिएट ह्याच्यावरती होतं. म्हणजेच या कंटेंटमध्ये डेरिव्हेटिव्हज ऑफ इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन या कंटेंटवर आधारित आपण 6 एक्झाम्पल घेतलेले आहे. या 6 एक्झाम्पलचा आधार घेऊन राहिलेले प्रश्न तुम्हाला सहज सुटतील. त्यामुळे हा व्हिडिओ पूर्ण पहा. हा व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि यापुढील सर्व व्हिडिओ मॅथ्स 1 आणि मॅथ्स 2 चे पाहण्यासाठी प्रज्ञा मॅथ्स चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.